officer, the master of the beautiful royal princess, Captain Tony Draper.
Okay, so it's the start of the party, and I've been down here all afternoon. Fabio's been down here all afternoon, putting the champagne bottle together, and there are 365 glasses here. And for some reason, they are trusting me to pour the first bottle. It's quite surprising how quickly the glass drinks. Anyway, if the ship starts moving, it would be me asking who is driving the boat. So here we go. Shall we have a countdown? Right, okay, so from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone, we'll have the party started.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Tony Draper will see you in a little while. As Fabio takes his way up to the top of the stairs, we're going to be inviting our fellow passengers right this way. Come join us. Who would like to be first to come over now? Somebody always has to be first. There you are. Come join us. The paparazzi is here. They're out for us. You got your photographers and videographers. Come to the top and help Fabio keep the champagne waterfall going. Come join us right down here. We have Melissa from the crew staff here to help you out. The line is